Alright, so this is a tear down video of the JD2 Model 32 tubing bender. I'm making this video so it'll help people out if they're trying to put it together on their own in the garage. So we'll start with the dial indicator here. There's a nut down here that's typically just going to be finger tight, and so you would drop that off there like so. Pretty easy stuff. You always leave it finger tight so this can be moved as you're bending your tubing. Then the next thing I would recommend taking out or taking off is the part that actually holds the tubing in the die, followed by taking the die out. The die is pretty heavy, so you got to be pretty careful with it. You don't want to drop it on yourself. And then there is a washer underneath the die right here. So you want to make sure that you get that in there when you put it together. The die is separate from this piece that sits in here. And of course this piece will be put together with these two bolts here. The second half of the die, pretty easy to remove. This piece here we'll leave on for now, it'll be fine where it's at. Next part, we'll take off the handle. Don't leave that there anymore. I had recently just put this together and I just lightly snugged these tight, so right now we'll take the rest of this bar end off here. And we'll loosen these two bolts. That should open it up enough to where I can pull this part out. This part's a little bit awkward because of how everything's put together. So that thicker washer goes on the bottom. The thinner washer goes in between the lowest arm, the lowest mounting point for the arm. This whole thing off as one unit here. And we'll go ahead and reverse the process. Of course, I've already installed this stand, so you can check out my other video for that.